Hello friends, I am Shunat Takte and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Learn Up Tutorials You Grow with Skills. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all kinds of video notifications.
Hello and welcome to this new lecture. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Myself, Shunat Ashok Takte, Assistant Professor in English and currently working at Janaseva Foundation, Arts and Commerce College, Shendi, Bhandardara. In today's lecture, I am going to talk on the area of linguistics where we study different types of meanings. So here we are going to study the difference between two levels of linguistic analysis: semantics and pragmatics. So our first concern is the difference between semantics and pragmatics. On what basis these two branches are different? And especially in pragmatics, we are going to study a very important part, that is speech act theory. So friends, we'll directly move to our first topic, that is introduction to pragmatics. Friends, as we know, before going to directly to pragmatics, we must need to consider what is semantics. So here semantics, as we know, as a level of linguistic analysis, we analyze language on different levels, as the level of phonology means the level of sound, then the level of morphology, the level of words, then the level of sentence, that is syntax, and the level of the meaningful unit, that is sentence, the paragraph, and more than that units. So here in semantics, what we analyze, what we study, so semantics focuses on the literal meanings of words, phrases, and sentences. So there we study literal meaning, means whatever is the dictionary type meaning, that is literal meaning. Okay, that is not more than that. What is communicated or what is said, or that is the literal meaning here. So it is concerned with how grammatical processes build complex meanings out of simpler ones. So there may be combination of two words together and form different meaning. Okay, means by adding the prefixes or suffixes, we can to the root, we can create different meanings. Okay, on the level of grammatical structures. Okay, and here how pragmatics is different from semantics, that we can see its difference. Semantics has a triangle of meaning, that is concept, symbol, and referent. So what is the concept, what is the idea of that particular object? Any object if we consider a pen, so pen, what kind of symbol we use for that? That is, if we say that a word as a symbol we can use. So pen, these three letters, they form the word pen, and that can be considered as a symbol, and that is a referent, means to what we refer as a symbol, to what we say as a concept. So we can say this is a pen. So this object is identified as a pen. So we'll get meaning of that object by assigning that symbol, that word symbol or that sound symbol to that object. Okay, so in pragmatics we focus on the use of language in particular situations. Language is used, but in different situations, different contexts. So the contextual use of language, I say something. If I say I am thirsty, okay, so in what context I am using this sentence, this expression, this utterance, that is important. If it is hot and summer season, and in that I am saying that I am thirsty, so it means, or if I say it's too hot, it's too hot, so the expression, the very expression on your face, that communicate its situational and contextual meaning. So it's really hot outside, and if I say I'm thirsty, then I must have at least AC or a fan to move on, or have a glass of water. Okay, so then its aim is to explain how factors outside of language contribute to both literal meaning and monoliteral meanings which speakers communicate using language. We do not simply or directly communicate what we say. We want to communicate more than what we say, or beyond that what we do not say. That is also communicated in language. If I say that I am thirsty, that I am not telling you that my condition, yes, I am thirsty, or I am very weak, or my head is aching, or I am having a headache. So I want to communicate, I want to tell that if I say I am thirsty, what is my intention? My intention is to get a glass of water. So anybody would get me a glass of water. Or if I say I am having a headache, that what I expect or what I want somebody to bring me a pill, a pain relief pen, or any what we can say, a soft pea tablet, or any other tablet. So that is what we want to communicate. That is not said. So we'll see some lines of differences in pragmatics versus semantics. So here the study of meaning in use in pragmatics. Meaning in use. So language we used. So here we study that that part of language, that part of the meaning part which in use. Okay, so it provides tools to help us understand the meaning in a given social context, including the effect of that language has those on those involved in speech situations. So what factors are involved in a speech situation, in a condition where we use language? Yes. So semantics is the study of meaning outside of its contextualized use with a focus on the literal meaning of words and phrases. So in semantics, there is nothing to do with the context or the contextualized situations or the contextualized used. The use or the meaning of that word, that phrase is on common ground. So we'll move on that in semantics we can say semantic concerned with what language says, what it communicates directly, that is semantics. What we say, if I say I'm thirsty, then obviously I'm thirsty, I'm out of water, that is the meaning. Okay, but pragmatics concerned with what language can do. If I say that leave me alone, it possibly mean that do not disturb me. I am doing something important work and therefore do not disturb me. Okay, so this kind of force is there, this kind of what language can do. Language can impact on the speaker and on the hearer too. Okay, so here semantics, in semantics there is sense, what word or the group of words mean, that is sense. But in pragmatics there is force, what change, what you wish to see, what change you wish to bring, that is the force. Yes, it impacts on the context, the situation, and that contextualized use. Okay, so semantics, in semantics words or lexemes are central to the study. In semantics we study words, their meanings, the lexemes. Okay, lexemes means are also words. In pragmatics, events or potential events are of main interest. In what situation, in what context we are using those utterances, those sentences, or those dialogues, those statements, that situation is important. Okay, so it is highly contextualized, highly eventful, highly potential events we refer to. Okay, so in pragmatics what we